What's up, YouTube? 2012 Hyundai Elantra. Customers complaining of stalling and the check engine light being on. I've already scanned this. It's a very common issue on Hyundais and Kias that use this same style of crank sensor. I'm going to show you how to replace it today. It's a pretty easy job. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. I've already got the part. Let's get started. Turn this key off so we don't have a dead battery. Turn my screen off. I'm sorry if y'all hear a little wind noise from my camera here because I got these fans on because I'm in Georgia and it's hot and humid. And I apologize, but I'm not going to be hot. I mean, I'm hot, but I'm not going to be as hot. So if you hear a little wind noise, you're just going to have to bear with it. Sorry, this lift is very slow. Split racks. Got dual pistons, so they take a little longer to go up. That should be high enough. Keep me from banging my head on anything. Got my lights on. The sensor lives. Let me point my camera up a little higher for y'all. Right there. Right there. 10mm bolt. Got me a little 10mm action. And they got an O-ring on them, so just kind of wiggle and pull kind of hard, it'll give up. And you got this little tab right there to secure it on that bracket.
You're not worried that he would be out, trying to
Maybe some cutting dikes or some of these guys. And just break it. Yeah, it didn't cooperate with me. I hate these connectors. They're always such a booger to get out. Let me see if I can get the cutting dikes on it. Yeah, it gave up. He said, nope, not today. And what I'll do is put a little oil on the O-ring. Just kind of stick my finger in there. In the hole right there. Makes it slide in a lot easier. Alright. The bolt.
Understand that this is for the show.
Run it down with my fingers as far as I can. Change direction here. Alright. Unplug it. And it has another connector up here. hear that thing like Fort Knox. I got an idea. It's been a minute since I've done one of those, so. You just got to get it off that bracket. Hit it with the Pro action. Slides over that bracket. Just get on the corner of it and hit it up like that. Long screwdriver or whatever you got. Now, go ahead and click it on that bracket. And then plug it back in. There we go. Bend that back. Secure it. Just like that, y'all. Whew, I gotta go stretch. Now we're going to lower this back down. Pull my camera back down some. Readjust my hat and my light. Guess I can turn that off now. Put it around my neck. It's easy, but it's kind of a booger, especially getting it off that bracket. Whew. Reaching up in the air like that's a shoulder workout, man. Hopefully I captured everything pretty good. I won't know till I go home and view the video on my computer and upload it and do all my little edits. I haven't posted a video in a couple days. I've been so busy at work, just too tired when I get home. But I gotta keep on posting, man, because that's what got me here. And to all y'all awesome people that got me monetized, I owe it to y'all. I will definitely be posting a video tonight. Maybe of this. And I'm not going to kick the rack or anything like that until I know everything's good. Because sometimes you get defective parts. Not so perfect world. Yeah. Huh? The transmission? Alright, give me a minute. Oh, they would be here to pick up a core transmission when I'm doing a video. So let's start this bad boy up. TPMS lights flashing, but I'm not worried about that. Let's clear our fault codes. Boom. Read fault code. Nothing. Alright, we good, y'all. So, anyways, I got to get off here because I got to help load this freaking heavy ass transmission up. Part of my friend. So, y'all have a good day. Follow, subscribe, check like.